All right, let's review some multi-step equations. If you are just learning about multi-step equations for the first time, I think you'll want to find a different video. But if you are reviewing after maybe a summer away, this is the perfect video for you. As far as notes to have down, I recommend having these four. When you're looking at a multi-step equation, you want to go through these steps to simplify for yourself. Distribute, combine like terms, eliminate the variable from one side, and then solve from there. I think you all should be familiar with one and two-step equations. Here we're just kind of putting all of that together. Let's look at some examples to learn on this one. Example 1, show a clear process for solving the equation. Okay. Step 1, distribute. Do I have any parentheses in this one? I do not. Step 1 is done. Combining like terms, I do have that here. If we have the letter M here, we have to imagine the number 1 is also there. Negative 1m minus 2m would be negative 3m equals 12 minus 5m. I am set up with a two-step equation now. Eliminate the variable from one side. I definitely want to move this negative 5 over. I'm going to add 5m here, plus 5m here. I can only combine the like terms even when I'm on separate sides of the equal sign. I can't add 12 plus 5m, that's not going to work. They have to be exactly the same. That eliminates the right side. Negative 3 plus 5 is 2m equals 12. Okay, I've got variables on one side, integers over here. Step 4, solve. Great. Good instructions. M times 2 equals 12. I'm going to do the opposite operation. Divide by 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. M equals 6. I have solved one multi-step equation. All right, let's go to another example. Example 2. Negative 14 plus 8n equals 2, and then parentheses negative 3 plus 3n. We do get to distribute here. Distribution is multiplication, and combine like terms is adding and subtracting, so distribution always goes first. I'm going to keep the left side as is for now. It's going to be tempting to do more than one step at a time. Don't want to do that. Could have divided by 2 to start this, but I like the simplicity of distribution, especially as we're getting back into our math class this year. Negative 6, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. 2 times positive 3n is plus 6n. Negative 14 plus n equals negative 6 plus 6n. I don't have any like terms, so I'm done with the first two steps. Two steps. Now I want to eliminate variable from one side. I'm going to subtract 6n and get rid of that. There's really 4 separate things you could have done that would have been correct here, but this is what I chose to do, was get rid of that 6n. Got another two-step equation here. Let's go to a new color. Let's get rid of this negative 14n. We want to add 14. Add 14. 2n equals 14 minus 6 is 8. Last step is to solve. Divide by 2 again. N equals 4. Remember, as you're going through these videos, pause as needed, slow down, fast forward, do something again. Example 3. Example 3. Lots of different things we can do. To start, we could do some manipulation and divide, but I think I'm just going to stick to my steps here and distribute. I'm going to do them both at the same time. 6 times x is 6x. 6 times 5 is 30. 2 times x, that's nice, plus 6 plus 2x. Great. Combine like terms. What can I combine? On the left side, that's all set, but I do have 2 like terms here. 2 plus 2, 4x plus 6. Eliminate the variables. Well, since I'm here, I'm going to subtract 4x from this part, minus 4x here. 2x plus 30 equals 6. That 6 is left over from right there. And I'm going to subtract 30 from both sides. 2x equals 6 minus 30 is negative 24. Really got married to the multiplied by 2 on this side. Oh no, a negative number. It's okay. Don't be afraid. X equals negative 12. Wonderful. All right, really quickly, let's talk about some special cases. So here, no solution. Spoiler alert, there's not going to be a solution for this one, but why? Why, you ask? 6m minus 28 equals negative 8m plus 10 plus 2m. Remembering our steps, let's go ahead and review. We've got, oh, did I do that right? Let's find out. Negative 6m plus 10 equals 6m minus 28. I did not write that correctly. Pause for a sec. A little bit of a typo there. This 8 should be positive. This 2 should be negative. 6m minus 28. Can't have a perfect go to start the year. Equals 6m plus 10. Let's eliminate one of the variables from one side. We're left with negative 28 equals 10. Does negative 28 equal 10? The answer is no. Therefore, it is no solution. Sorry about that typo there. It's going to happen this year, kids. You know, you got to be on top of it. Got to make no mistakes ever, but you will. It's math. Okay. Special cases, infinite solutions. Let's see if I did this correctly. 2x plus 8 plus 3x minus 3 equals 5 plus 5x. Looks like the spoiler alert here is there's going to be a lot of solutions. Let's combine like terms. 2x and 3x is 5x. 8 minus 3 is 5 equals 5 plus 5x. If I were to eliminate the variable from one side, that would eliminate the variable from both sides. 0 times x is 0. Does 5 equal 5? Yes. So this is an infinite number. This is like, let's see if I can do a better one. The infinity symbol, no matter what we plug in for x, if we plug 1 in, if we plug 8 in, if we plug in negative 292, it will all work out. So there's an infinite number of solutions there. Why don't you take a moment and give these two a try, and we'll talk about them next class. Give these a try in your notebook. All right, see you in class.